Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this electric screwdriver, and Fanttik was nice enough to send it over to us for us to check out. So let's go ahead, pop this open, and check it out. All right, so it comes in a really nice packaging right here. You're going to get your charging cable right there, and then this opens up, and then everything is nice and sealed in here. Actually put this all back in here just earlier, and then you have the little thing here that you press down, and that's really easy to open up. You just push it and that unlocks everything. You push it again and push this down to lock everything back in place. So we'll push that open, and then this gives us our little screwdriver right here. There you go. It's going to have a couple different settings down here at the bottom. It's going to have a high torque, lock, as well as a low torque. And then whenever you push the buttons on here, it's going to turn, obviously, and it also gives you a little light on there. So that's nice. And as you see, there is a USB-C charging connection on here, and this comes with a USB-A to a USB-C. We all probably have 100 of those laying around. But boom, check this out. Look at everything that you get in here, and it is all nice and neatly sealed in this little case right here. So all these here are all kind of magnetized as well. It makes them easy to go in there and easy to get out. So boom, right there you go. They just pop right back in place. That's something that I really like about this. Easy to keep them organized. And then of course they just pops in there, and then you push your button, and right there you go. Obviously this isn't for like a high torque job. This is going to be like little small things around the house, but it will get the job taken care of. So something great to just have in like your cabinet at the house. But look, boom, a whole bunch of different assortment of bits on here. There you go. There is everything. Look at that. And then if they do kind of pop out, they just slide right back in there so easily. I really like that magnetic feature on there. What is this longer thing in here? Let's check this out. All right, cool. So just some extra little tools in here. That's always nice. Some tweezers that are stuffed in there. All right, cool. I didn't even notice that earlier whenever I was playing with this. So we'll go ahead and package this all back up. There we go, just like that. And then you take this, make sure this side is pointed out, slide it back in there, push it down, and then you take your actual screwdriver, push it down, and it stays together and everything. And look at that. Looks really nice. That is beautiful looking. Fanttik. Yeah, nice. All right, so if you are interested in something like this to have around the house, it's always nice to have these around the house. You're always needing to screw something or unscrew something. I do videos on, how-to videos, and people are always like, I don't have a screwdriver for this or for that. I'm like, well, pick you one up. Boom, right there you go. This is one that you can pick up and take care of all those small little things. Whether that be cleaning like minor appliances around the house. I know these are great for like taking apart fans and stuff like that. And the kiddos, whatever they need the batteries changing all their toys, these are really great for this. Some of these are really small. I don't know if they would quite work for glasses, but yeah, I'm just babbling. There's so many things you can use this. There's so many things you can use this for. So if you're interested in one, go ahead, check this one out from Fanttik.